Inside the mystery box. Hundreds of thousands of dollars, rare coins, or nothing. Stay tuned for the latest. And oh, here we miss. Make sure you can see in there perfectly.
Hang on, I gotta.
Did you drill all the way through it?
Yes, I did. What do we got? What do we got? Money? Cardboard.
Whoa.
Cardboard.
Coax.
Oh, coaxial crap. Not there.
Not a good drawer there.
Let's go to the next drawer.
Oh.
Oh. Hey! Oh, look!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, someone must have been in the cable business. Oh, nothing. Oh, rubber product. Oh, more nothing.
Cable guys.
Signal.
Yep.
Yeah.
Outdated, done.
Outdated. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of those boxes that
I wonder what's inside that. Oh boy. Next one. Oh.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute, it's a heavy one.
Ooh, we got Sears.
There you go.
I'm looking for that. You know that?
Might hit a bingo. Semi-bingo.
Sockets. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Always use more sockets. Right.
What kind of straps? Hang on.
Copper, maybe.
What's in there? Those are those
Those
straps.
are them handy
Let's
thingies
see.
for.
Well, I use them all the
for
time.
coax
Yeah.
cable. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some groundies.
How much did you pay for that thing?
Got it for free.
Well, wait a minute.
Oh, wait. What's in here? Is this where the money is? This where all the money and the rare coins are? No! It's
Cool.
cheap.
Yep.
Cheap tool set. Oh, that's why the guy couldn't remember what was in there. Well,
Crescent wrench.
Crescent one. It's made in the USA. Beautiful.
Okay. We done?